We are going to review BLK's newest release na blush. So this is a dual blush palette. So it consists of, this is Peach Cloud, this is Dreamy Dahlia, then this is Velvet Rose, and Tutu blush. So this is in the shade Tutu blush in swatches, as you can see. So this is in the shade Velvet Rose. Ay, may pagka-Patrick ta yung packaging niya, in fairness. And this is Dreamy Dahlia shade. Ayan, pinangalan sa pangalan niya ng anak niya. Lastly, sa shade sa baba, si Peachy Cloud. So, yung mga blushes nila, it consists of may shimmery, tapos may cream blush na siya on the end. So, we're gonna use the BLK blush. So, blush tayo using Dreamy Dahlia. The consistency of the blush is ayan, sobrang pigmented niya and it's easy to apply. Color payoff is here. Hindi yung mga blush na sobrang pigmented, pero ito one tap lang. Okay, let's try this one as a highlighter. This is a great combo while I apply with this blush. Velvet Rose naman dito. So, depende kasi sa skin preference natin. Let's okay. Mahirap yung cream blush niya. Mahirap siyang kailangan i-blend off pa more. Hindi siya nahihirapan akong i-blend with this brush, pero kailangan gamitin siya ng kamay with this one, but it can be multi-use with this. Then sa powder, at least yung powder, madali lang siyang gamitin sa product nila. All of these four shades sa BLK, maganda yung collection nila. Kailangan lang i-improve yung cream nila kasi nahihirapan ako while using the brush sa cream products. Kailangan i-improve nila yung formulation. It's so hard to blend with the brush, but you need to use a hand. Use a hand with this, but kailangan i-build up pa siya ng kahit konti. Yun lang naman yung nakikita ko. But the rest of the blush, perfect. So, better try this one. Patrick Dot. This is officially a Patrick Dot blush duo dupe.